Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on information as a strategic resource and its use for competitive advantage. In today's fast paced business world, where change is constant, staying ahead of competition requires a deep understanding of your business environment and strategic planning. Let's dive in. The complexity of business environment. As businesses operate, they face an ever changing environment like market forces, technical advancement, business diversity, and stiff competition continuously impact business prospects. As a result, business planning becomes increasingly complex. This is where management information system MIS play a crucial role. The role of MIS in strategy formation. MIS is designed to assess, monitor, and evaluate the various factors influencing a business. It provides the management with valuable insights into these factors, enabling them to formulate strategies. Strategy formulation is not an easy task. It requires analyzing an organization's strengths and weaknesses as a understanding goals and mission of the businesses. Top management depends on MIS for accurate, real time information to guide their decisions. The type of business strategies. Businesses may adopt various strategies depending on their current situation and long term goals. These strategies could include growth strategies, product strategies, market strategies, and financial strategies. For each of these, MIS provide relevant data and help management decide which strategy is most appropriate at a given time. For instance, if businesses is declined, a growth focused strategy might be needed. If a business is losing a particular market segment, a more focused market or a product strategy could be necessary. Continuous assessment and role of MIS. One of the critical role of MIS is the continuous assessment of business performance. It tracks factors like sales, market share, product quality, and profitability. This information helps management assess whether the business is growing, stagnant, or in decline, or it allows for timely corrective action. Without this constant stream of information, a business may fail to notice early warning signs and miss opportunities for improvement. The mix strategy at different levels. A business does not rely on just one strategy at a time. It requires a mix of strategies that operate at different management levels. For example, during the growth phase, combination of pricing, product development, and market expansion strategy might be necessary. However, during a decline, a mix of price, discount, sales promotion, and focused advertising strategy would be crucial to turning things around. Now, let's talk about why information is considered as a strategic resource. Information helps business make a strategical, technical, and operational decisions which are vital for survival and growth. It is not just a byproduct of the businesses but a resource that drives success. Helps understand key matrices. Information gives insight into cost, quality, price, technology, productivity, and product positioning. Ensure smooth operation. Information streamline business processes, making day-to-day operations more efficient. Maintain standards. Information helps in ensuring that businesses adhere to key standards like ISO, CMMI, and Six Sigma. Provide competitive edge. By staying informed, businesses can maintain a competitive advantage and remain ahead of the curve. SWOT analysis. Information enables company to conduct throughout SWOT analysis, understanding their strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Ensuring profitability. It aids in maintaining profitability through data-driven decisions. Support new decisions. Information helps businesses decide a new venture such as setting up a new plants, launching new products, or entering new markets. Protects against business cycles. With timely and accurate data, company can better weather the up and down of business cycle. Provide future directions. Information provide a roadmap for future organization directions, help business plan ahead, give competitive edge. Ultimately, information is a key to stay ahead in a increasingly competitive market. In conclusion, information is not just a resource, it is a strategic asset that empowers organizations to make better decisions, adapt to changing environment, and stay ahead of competition. A business landscape continue to evolve, having access to timely, accurate information becomes more vital in achieving long-term success. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Thank you.